Dear brothers and sisters, I welcome you all to hear and see this video message. In this video, I am going to explain the good books to know about integration of princely states of India. I compiled 3 books for the subject regarding integration of princely states that I given in the description. The first book is, in this video I going to give the name of the book, author, publisher and price and pages. Integration of the Indian States, revised edition by V.P. Menon, author, Orion Black Swan Publishers, 534 pages. Dethroned, Patel, Menon and the Integration of the Princely India by John Subrasaki, author, 360 page, rupees 800. இந்திய சுதேச சமஸ்தானங்கள் ஒருங்கிணைப்பு, ஆதர் எலந்தை சு ராமசாமி, சுவாசம் பப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ், rupees 270.